Established in 2011, Dongguan Shenghe Jewelry Company Limited is a professional jewelry factory in Dongguan, China. We produce 925 sterling silver jewelry and environmental brass jewelry, including necklaces, pendants, rings, earrings, bracelets, bangles, jewelry sets, anklets, brooches, cufflinks. Our factory has SGS, ISO certificates. We get quality control audit and social responsibilities audit every year. We have rich experiences working with brands, including famous brands, growing brands, and starter up. We help customers shipping to boutiques, chain store, department stores, and many retailers. All our products can pass Pro 65 test and EU test. We can provide free professional plating report for our customers. Every step of the production process has a strict quality control. We are one of the few factories has laboratory to ensure the quality. We have professional engineers and designers in our development department that are able to satisfy your various design requirements and provide you with effective solutions. We have our own 3D wax printer to print your desirable item timely. Exporting to over 50 countries, including USA and countries in Europe, Asia, UAE, Middle East, and South America. We can produce at least 300,000 pieces monthly. With 9 years' experiences, we are a reliable and professional supplier of the jewelry. We have quality product, professional engineer support, technical efficiency sales team, and competitive price. We are looking forward to hearing from customers worldwide.